other collaboration ko rin. Yun din isa. Diba? The third is
sorry. Jack, Master Jack. Chor, kaway, chor. Ganda, no? Ganda yung umiikot, oh.
Anak ni ano no?
Ha?
Pauline.
Oo, ito. Si Ann. Ganda rin yung grid.
Tamawan ano, pagka
Ah, bira lang. Sa festival nila. Hindi pa naka-attend yata doon eh.
meron na naman sa October.
Oo. Nabalitaan ko lang pero hindi ako na-invite eh.
The buffet is now open. Let us have some cocktails and enjoy the art tonight.
Art Plus, and we have here the project director of this project, Mr. Mark Bivar over there. And writing the text or the book is probably the most important living.
Art Plus.
Marami na kami kaibigan nauna na. My father, my colleague, my very dear friend from the same school, Mr. Sid Reyes. So, there will be a lot of research, a lot of photography, a lot of going to clients' houses and to take pictures.